So, Courtney, is there anything I didn't know to ask to wrap up this show that you want to maybe tell one quick story that you've been able to help somebody or
I will say once I provide some quote options, I get the, "Hold on, this sounds too good to be true. What's the catch?" And that's my favorite, you know, response when I show people the prices and the premiums. The catch is for a lot of these plans, and I'm going to go back to the dude plan, major medical plans, ACA, it doesn't matter who you are, you're paying for pregnancy coverage, maternity care. You're paying for that. Whether you can have a baby or not, or you're done having babies, you're paying for it. So that drives prices way up because having babies are expensive. Mental health, not just, antidepressant or a pill or something simple. This is you're paying for substance abuse. You're paying for going to be institutionalized because of mental health. I mean, schizophrenia, like those types of, you know, extreme mental health cases, you're paying for that, whether you need it or not. And then pharmacy, I think I mentioned that. Like if you're not on routine, like maintenance medications 12 months out of the year, you're overpaying for that. So finding those people and just like, hey, this is ridiculous. This is insane. And like a lot of employers, like, hey, you're paying for maternity coverage on 12 dudes. Like, come on, that doesn't make any sense. And your dudes are dudes. They're not going to sit around and talk about how adulting is so hard. They're not going to do that. They're dudes. They're going to get after work. So they're not going to need the mental health. They're not going to need the therapy. And they're definitely not don't need the pregnancy. But so we take those plans, we remove those things, or we have plans that's already removed. Personally do it. We find the plans that don't include those things, and then we beef up the accident. And now they have something they actually are going to use in protection in the real places that they're actually going to use it. So that's a big example there. So all the guys and all the women who are done having babies, y'all are paying too much.